back to the best anime channel ever. We are reacting to a Defi video. It's been a while. I kind of forgot that they released Chainsaw Man on crack and we never reacted to it. Reacted to the Jojo ones before that you can see here, but not the Chainsaw Man. So let's get to it. All right, I'm really excited. It's a pretty short video, but at the end of the video, I will be leaking some funny memes that we've reacted to lately. Probably a lot of them racist, so I suggest you stay until the end. All right, let's check this out.
Very
cool, very swag. I like it.
Wow, a Jojo meme right off the bat.
Alright, bro, good night.
Oh, I like the transitions. It's pretty good. Goddamn. I mean, Defi is incredible. Incredible memes. Super high quality.
Hello guys, today we have a list of top 3 anime girls with dogs. Número 3. Número 2.
Classic.
Número 1.
Pretty good. Get your wife out of here. Jojo! Bro, we need like Jojo mixed with Chainsaw Man as a thumbnail. That would be perfect.
I was 300,000. Sold one of my nuts too.
Yeah, sounds about right. Relatable.
I eat cigarettes 10 packs a day.
Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy.
Ooh, what's happening inside there? Damn, dude, they vibing.
No boobs.
Hey, stop looking at them.
Look in my eyes. No boobs. Only eyes.
Please stop saying dumbass things. You're not even making sense.
Mirai, psycho. Mirai, psycho.
10の悪魔を倒してほしいの。10の悪魔を少しでも弱くするために銃所持の基本原則が
なんかよくわからないけど
規制されるようになった。
God damn it. Eats the cat.
Cats!
Nice.
Мацуда, не смей это делать.
Почему?
Блять.
朝ごはん食べれる？
リンゴ、1個だけ残しといてやるよ。
Nice.
I love Death Note.
Me, I don't know, humble, modest, PhD, cancer biology scientist. I work in a biotech company. We make COVID-19 testing kits, stuff like that. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think you really have the highest EQ out of all of us.
Bro, I have nothing to say about that. I have no comment. What? I just ain't got shit to say.
¿Cómo se atreve a secuestrar a un gatito? Es mi deber hacerlo pagar por eso.
Spanish dub. Stop doing that.
Call an ambulance.
It's really funny.
For me. You will die in the worst way imaginable.
I guess I'll die a virgin.
Mother of all omelets here, Jack. Can't fret over every egg.
So.
Oh, whoa, whoa, I want a hentai girl for me to make me happy. I want her so I can stop using my hands. I want my own hentai girl. Shut the fuck up! Where is my MP3 player?
No. Oh. What on God's green earth is that? Oh. Hey, bro, Defi's such a good YouTuber. You should subscribe. I wish there was more videos, but it's really high quality. Anyways, as promised, you guys want some memes? I'm gonna randomly click on a meme that we saw recently. What is this?
How do you like it? I don't know. It feels kind of weird.
I'm really dumb for laughing at that. It was a meme that killed me.
Everybody, Meg just had her first period.
This is the kind of humor we like in my Discord server, so I highly suggest you don't join if you don't want to live through this. Anyways, I'm making a Roblox game, Mario Kart, but anime. It's really awesome, and we're on the final stretch. It's gonna come out soon, been in dev since October. If you want news, join the Discord server for the game, discord.gg/kartwarriors. Here's a tiny little teaser that was already uploaded on the channel. A second teaser is coming very soon. Stay tuned.
俺はベジータとカカロットの合体ベジットだそしてこれがベジットブラーはあ